Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can unarchive a Pinterest board. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest tab on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. Next, scroll until you can find the archived board section. Once you do, tap and open it. After that, you can find a 3 dots icon on the top right screen. Tap on it and then select the Unarchive board option. Again, tap on the Unarchive button. And that's it. This is how you can unarchive a Pinterest board. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.